Welcome, in front of me is a MOTOROLA Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top. Swipe down once again and this will extend the list of toggles. On one of the pages you should see a screen recording toggle. As you can see, it's right here, screen record, and you can tap on it to start recording right away, or you can tap on this arrow. It just gives you a short list of toggles that you can change. So you have record audio, either device, microphone, both or nothing, and then we also have show taps and touches on the screen. So if I enable this, it will just display where I was pressing the display as a semi-transparent gray dot. Now I'm gonna enable this just so you can see how that looks like on the recording. From there we can select start. It will begin a countdown from 3 and then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded. So if you open up some kind of apps, obviously content of them will be visible. But I will point out that not every app will be recorded the same. So I'm gonna stop this right now and just quickly go into what I mean by that. So apps like bank accounts, or bank apps, or Netflix, or any kind of streaming app tend to block screen recordings. They somehow can just do that, not exactly sure how. What they can do is block the sound. So if you try to record something like a Netflix, you will just get a sound with no visual. All you will get is a black screen. Now once you're done recording, you can find your saved screen recording in your Photos application. As you can see right here, right at the top as a first option. And there we go. Now if in the future you have some albums or anything like that, you can find it in the album called Movies, which you can see right over here. Now I only have just this one photo or video in here, so it's not really giving me anything extra. That's the only thing that I can see. But like I said, in the future, if you have more content, more media here, you might want to search it by categories, which will be in movies. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.